I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting 1 to 3 practical projects that you can finish. Choose different domains to show range. Once done, write a compact plan with milestones: data sourcing, cleaning, exploratory analysis, modeling, and evaluation. Make sure to map skills to tasks: Python for wrangling, Pandas for tables, Sklern for modeling, and a plotting library for visuals. Then create a simple timeline with checkpoints. This prevents scope creep and gives you concrete first actionable steps to start producing portfolio work now. You now execute the middle work. Build reproducible notebooks that interleave narrative, code, and charts so reviewers follow your reasoning. Once done, commit frequently to version control and use branches for experiments. Make commit messages descriptive. Make sure to write a README that highlights goals, data sources, how to run the code, and key results. Iterate by improving preprocessing, feature engineering, and model validation. Record metrics and short explanations so your thought process is visible to others. You finish by publishing a polished demo and concise project page. Choose GitHub pages, a Streamlit app, or a binder link so others can run your work. Once done, create a short project summary with 3 to 4 screenshots and a contact line for inquiries. Make sure to test links and dependencies. If something breaks, simplify to a minimal reproducible example and isolate the issue. If still stuck, ask a peer or mentor and iterate. This troubleshooting habit keeps your portfolio reliable and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.